Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel where we dive deep into African food, language and culture. It's been a long time, but we are back now. Today we are cooking one of the Malawi's favorite traditional dishes, sweet potato leaves and with ground nuts. It's locally known as Kholowa or Chibwaka in an ethnic language, but it's commonly known as Kholowa. Let's get started. First things first, start by washing your sweet potato leaves thoroughly. Remove any dirt, remove the tough stems if needed, and also if you want, you may chop the leaves into smaller chunks, but then I like them just removing the stalks. It looks better when you add, groundnut leaves. And also, it's too delicate, so it doesn't need any further chopping from that. So you need groundnut flour. You should have to measure your leaves. It shouldn't be too little or too much. Just measure your leaves and then measure your groundnut flour. And then you need some tomatoes, fresh and ripe, and also as you can see, some pepper to enhance the taste, and also some water. Don't forget the salt. Add some water, small amount of water to a pot, just enough to steam the leaves, and proceed by chopping the tomatoes. Remove all the unwanted parts, and also you can chop in any other way. If you want the big ones, you can chop the big ones. You can also add unripe tomatoes to it. This Kholowa likes the flavorness of that tomato. That's why I added some unripe tomatoes to it. And make sure that it has enough tomatoes. It tastes better when it has enough tomatoes. Just make sure that the tomatoes are enough for your leaves. Some people like to add some onions to it, but I don't like it. So it's just optional. You can add if you like it, but I like it this way. As simple as it is, it makes it very, very delicious. I have some relatives around. My mom is around, and this food is very, very good for those who are not feeling good, because it has a sourly, delicious taste. That's why those who are sick likes it. So prepare this meal, and it has some very, very good nutrients. Make sure that your groundnut powder has no lumps. The magic to it is to add the water beside it. As you can see, I added some water to it so that it shouldn't be lumpy. It shouldn't have some lumps. And also make sure that the pepper is chopped into very, very small pieces. Oh, can't wait to taste these, guys. And you can add the tomatoes to the pot when the water is boiled, or you can just add it right away so that it should be boiling together. Either way, it turns out very, very good. Also, cover it for some time so that it can boil. As you can see, beside it there's a big pot of nsima. I'm cooking nsima. It tastes better with this Kholowa. Malawian delicious cuisine. After it has boiled for some time, you can see the tomatoes have been boiling for some few minutes. It doesn't take long. You add the leaves to it. Make sure all the leaves are packed into the pot properly so that they should boil. They should be steamed, all of them together. After that, you have to cover it and wait for some minutes. After some minutes, this is the end result of it, and you have to turn it so that the tomatoes and the leaves have to be mixed very, very properly. failing to turn the I was failing to turn it very properly because I had the other hand, I held the camera. It's high time I invest into a very, very good stand so that shouldn't look like this. Some like it like this. You can just eat it as it is. As you can see, it looks very delicious and very nutritious, medicinal as well. Even the water for this is very, very medicinal. Okay, but today we are not making like this. We are adding some groundnut powder to it so that it should taste a little bit extra. That's it, guys. I just noticed that I was using my hand cutting the tomatoes and others were like, you cut yourself. No. I was extra careful, guys. I wouldn't cut myself. That's how we do it here in Africa. We feel that that way it's much faster than using the board. And it's the way that we like it. But then, Africans are tough. After it has boiled for some time, it's high time you add the powder to it, the groundnut powder to it, and then you stir it very well. Don't forget the pepper to it so that it should be delicious. Extra. Look at it, guys. Look how beautiful and amazing it turns out. Just wait for some time, cover it and wait for some time. And there we have it, guys. Beautiful, nutritious, and proudly Malawian sweet potato leaves with groundnuts. Perfect with sima, rice, or even cassava. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, guys. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to know more about Malawian traditional dishes, or anything Malawian, subscribe to that button, share with this video, and comment in the box below saying Kholowa. Zikomo, bye. Nutritious and proudly Malawian sweet potato leaves with groundnuts, perfect with sima, rice, or even cassava. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe and want more Malawian traditional dishes, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Zikomo kwambili.